Hey loves, good morning. I want to talk to you. Ooh, I want to talk to you real quick. Good morning, guys. So I'm going to town. I'm going to run some errands. Now I'm sick. That's why I'm speaking like this. But guys, I got flowers. I've got flowers for being sick. Anyway, Jay gave me flowers. I know you don't know Jay. Jay is my boyfriend. He gave me flowers because I'm sick. Previously, I've been having like serious crampings, and then yeah, I was so down. I also had flu. I still have flu, but yeah, he sent me flowers. Actually, he delivered them. I didn't know, so he gave me flowers. Yesterday I got an accident, but yeah, I was going to visit my daughter at school. She's sitting for her UNEB on Monday. So I got an accident and it was really bad. Some people were so injured, like badly injured. He got so scared when I told him, and he came right away, and he was traveling, so he almost cancelled his trip. But yeah, I can finally smell them. By the time he brought them, I had lost the smelling sense, so they are fresh. They are still okay. I went to China store to get the flower vases, the transparent one, but Nasanga's were there, so they told us they're going to restock on soon. So I think next week I'll try and go. I'll go and see whether I can get some. And he said I got an accident. I'm on treatment. I don't know whether you can see it, but even my hand is swollen. So I'm on treatment and getting better. And yeah, tomorrow my brother is graduating. On Sunday we have a graduation, so it's really a tough week. It's a fixed one, a busy one. So I'm going to town. I want to look for gifts for my brother. I'm also going to post office Uganda. I'm going to open up my mailing account because I don't have one, and my channel is yet to be monetized, and I also have to use it for other things. I have to be with it. So that's what I'm going to do today. I don't know what I'm going to get for him. I know his tastes, but I don't know. Jay's not around. He traveled out of the country yesterday, and yeah, so I'm just here. I was thinking of making myself a dress for that graduation party, but I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. If I get the energy, I'll sit on the machine because I have the material. I have an illusion in my head, but I don't know whether I'll bring it to life. So if I get the energy, of course I'll go ahead and make myself a dress. If I don't, I'll wear one of the dresses that I have. Actually, I've never worn them. It is a maroon one. So yeah, let's go to town and then I'll come back later.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Hey my loves, good morning. So today is 11th and I'm home at mine. I'm going home. I'm going to the farm or on the farm, and I'm also going to be doing a few things there. So if you want to see what I do on the farm, please go ahead and subscribe on my second channel. We are soon hitting 1k soon, very soon. We are hitting 1k, so make it happen. Please make it happen. I'm going to be doing a few things there, and because I'm going to be there for some days, it's been a while, I think a week, ever since I went there and it's not good for me. Anyway, I'm also going to be, I don't know whether I'm going to be doing a day in my life, but this is probably going to be a vlog. So today is my brother's graduation and his party is on Sunday. So I have to be there to at least to make sure everything is in order. So about my accident, I'm getting better, only that I'm getting a black bruise on my that around that area, but I'm told it's going to be fine. I finished, I got the injections got done, and I'm just trying to handle the thing like the normal way, okay? But I'm also going home, so I think it's going to be better because, of course, elders know their best. So follow along. Let's enjoy this vlog as we subscribe. After subscribing here, please like the video and share this video if you have anything that you've learned from there. Also go on my channel, second channel, subscribe. Let's make it to 1K before the end of October. So bye. See you when you see me.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Joyce wa kutamira sonyiwa